Today we'll unbox the ETO series, Micsig 5th generation tablet oscilloscope. Let's get what's inside. One quick user guide, warranty card, power supply, for OP passive probes, and for OP to BNC adapters. Let's take a look. What a beautiful scope. Blue frame with black housing. Looks very cool. It has 4 corner bumpers, protected from dropping. The size is 353 by 245 mm, with the handle strapped on the side. Easy to carry in one hand. The stand on the back easily helps you to use on the desktop. Built-in large battery easy to take on or use on desktop. With VESA mount interface, support flexible ARM display. It has 500 MHz bandwidth, 4 analog channels, 14-inch touchscreen, with resolution of 1920 by 1200, bringing ultra-clear waveform. It has a HDMI, 3 USB, 1 Type-C, can connect various devices. The unique OP probe interface. Use the BNC adapter to connect with it. Becomes standard BNC interface. Just like this. Now let's turn it on. On the side, there's power lock here. Switch it to on, then start the scope. It helps you make sure no accidental turn on during trip. Since it has a battery inside, we can just turn it on. The screen is anti-glare. It will start up in seconds. We can proceed the auto calibration for the probe. Connect like this. Hook up the square wave signal. Connect the ground. Swipe down the main menu from top, very smooth. Click auto. The scope captures the signal. Slide out the channel menu. Click probe calibration, automatically completed. Thanks for watching this video. You can visit Micsig website or local distributor for more information.